Okay, guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategies. We'll be starting soon, where you can get the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Boom, dive right on in. Don't forget to smash that like button if you really like the content that we bring you guys. You can go ahead and go back and see we got a bunch of different how-to videos and a bunch of different ways for passive income, earning, different sales coming up, pre-sales, projects, Binance projects, games, NFT games, and NFTs, and much, much more. Hop on over to our Twitter and go through our Twitter feed. We drop all the latest and greatest crypto news, and you can see all of the Binance projects and the different news for the day and different questions and quotes and crypto news. You can get here. We do different charts and different information for Binance projects, NFT projects, and much, much more. Big NFT game dropping in a few weeks. War Tribe, shout out, man. You guys got to go check that one out. Okay. Diving right into the charts, you can see that we've been having a really bullish day. And let me just go ahead and get this up here for you guys. Coin market cap. Let that load for us. Okay, so we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin's sitting right here, right now, on the 4-hour chart, above the 50, above the 200, like we talked about, okay? We were like, yeah, we wanted to go bullish, and I was like, as soon as we pull above the 50, away from it, and above that 200, and we were talking about that retest we want to see, so we're coming for that retest, and that would be a really nice time to see if we're going to bounce and go really bullish to the upside. So that's what I'm waiting on right there. So be tomorrow, today being Thursday, and then tomorrow being Friday, we possibly could see a pull back to the 50 EMA, which is right there at my green line for 39,800. So be prepared for that, but I'm not saying we're going bearish, because if you look here at the EMA ribbons, we flip the EMA ribbon on the 4-hour, and it's starting to fan out. So that's really good. And then the Trader's Indicator, okay, gives me all the different sessions. And you can see the New York sessions, the 2 4-hour candlesticks held the line at right here. So can Bitcoin hold the line? So right now, Bitcoin is holding the line at 40.7. Well, so we could say half numbers, so 40.5, which was a place to hold the line. You see how it's 38.5. It was holding the line down here for support, so major support at 38.5, and now we're holding the line really strong at this level at 40.8. Then we have overhead resistance at 42.8 or 42.7. So think about some of those levels that we have, okay? Then to the downside, now if we do end up pulling the moving averages back down and that 50 turns down, which it doesn't look like it does, okay? But we have that M0 zone in play at 37.2. So I want to see the bounce on the 50 at the 38.8 and continuation to the upside. That's scenario number 1. That's the best that we can, see. We can actually see a parabolic move now. If I'm going to show you what these lines are. See the 44.9 right here and the 35. This is the symmetrical triangle that we're in on the daily. So we're going to hop over and show you that, because if we do go parabolic, this would be the zone, and then this would be level 1 move up. And then we can have a level 2 rise up, level 3 rise up. So we're going to show you real quick. Hop into the daily with Bitcoin. Now let me just show you this here now so you can just get the idea of what we're looking at here. And then this is on the daily. You see how we're squeezing here, and we're packing some pressure into this area. We need to strike out above that right there, 43, 44. Hold this and then test that 44K level, and then continue to the upside for the next second. Remember I talked about the level just before? Okay? So after that second level, then it would be the third level to this upside, and that would be where we're touching the 45 to 48K levels. So there you go. There's a full bullish report for Bitcoin for the rest of this week going into next week, we had a really interesting news going on, okay? Bitcoin sees mother of all consolidations as 40K price squeeze fails. Let's see what else we have. U.S. lawmakers discuss crypto's role in sanctions, national security, and humanitarian aid. Yeah, a lot of stuff's been getting donated, and crypto being used for a bunch of different stuff. So Jack Dorsey's block joins $41 million funding. Very nice. Blockchain development. Yeah, blockchain, man. You can see everything on the blockchain, step by step, all the time. ETH derivative shows, okay, strong support for Ethereum at 2.5. Definitely so, guys. All right. Crypto miner hunt. So there's a lot of bullish stuff for crypto miners because crypto miners in the United States, tax write-offs. Okay, so this is really good for the market here. Let's go ahead and hop into some like Bitcoin avalanche rally. Talking about the avalanche rally. Okay, let's see. Bitcoin faces new milestone as forecast predicts Bitcoin price in the millions. So someone's predicting some crazy prices. I just want to go back to see something. Price analysis. Okay. So then we can hop into this, and we have Bitcoin, ETH, Doge, BNB, XRP, Luna, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, DOT, and Doge. So there's a bunch of different things here. You can see Bitcoin up 3, okay, and then it says that Bitcoin turned down from the moving averages on March 15th, but the long tail on the candlestick indicates strong demand at lower levels. The bulls continue their buying and have pushed the price above the 50-day simple moving average. And then if you look at this, you can see kind of, yeah, same thing. You see how it's coming up in this channel? We're just building pressure in that triangle that I was showing you too. So you can see the ascending channel here coming up for Bitcoin. Okay. Let's hop into Ethereum and talk about some ETH, baby. Talk about some Ethereum. Look at that. On the daily, straight to the 50 EMA right there at 2,800. Look at the 200 at 31. I can't wait until we break straight bullish to that side. You see this pressure that's been building right here? Look where we're at. We're right at that zone. If we can break this resistance line that we've been building right here, okay, we will see some really nice action straight back to the 3K level for Ethereum. This is looking bullish. I like this daily chart. Very, very nice. You can see we've been making higher lows. Look at that. Higher lows. We want to see a nice continuation bullish to the upside to the 3K. 32, 3.2. Very, very nice for Ethereum on some bullish tracks. BNB shooting straight for that mid-range 50 EMA at that 400. Very important level at that 400, and we've been kissing that line. So if we can bounce above that, hold, we might be able to even be in the beginnings of a start of a whole reversal pattern back to the upside, going bullish now. So guys, I'll keep you stay tuned. I'll keep you tuned after the New York closes at 4 p.m. I'll be making videos just like this, and I'll summarize what happened in the day. So don't forget to hop on to Twitter, because on Twitter, this is where the videos come up, guys. And let me just make sure it's coming over to you guys. Don't forget to smash that like while you're at it. Okay, yeah, so look, yeah, the videos are coming up just like this. Yep, March 17th, can we hold the line? And, you know, yeah, you could just hop on over there, and let's see. Okay, so we have, yeah, Rhodium Ultimate Rebase. Go ahead and check that out. They're having their pre-sale, and it's just a really good one to get into if you're just trying to get that income, and you just want to get that's just extra passive income. These projects really have high APRs, and it's really really great. They did, you know, I did shout outs, you know, so they did retweet some of my tweets and stuff, but, you know, just something to think about to get into. And, you know, big shout out to Word Tribesman. Games launching really soon, really good gameplay coming out. It's just really going to be awesome for this next phase here of cryptocurrencies, guys. You know, really cool stuff. So yeah, don't forget to hop on over and you know, follow us on Twitter. We drop a bunch of different information for you guys all the time. Give you the latest and greatest info and crypto news and much more. Okay. And yep, from there, then we can see the Ethereum ETH bounced off the support line for the symmetrical triangles, and the buyers are attempting to push the price above the 50-day simple moving average. Yeah, look at that. See how it's building pressure right there, and it's getting a higher low right there at the 2.6K, coming for that 3K right there, like we were looking at and discussing. So very nice for Ethereum. Binance, BNB above the moving averages, but the bears are likely to have other plans. So they're trying to say that they're going to pull it back to the 320. I don't know. Let's see. Because, you know, they're trying to say this wick section here can be taken back from 350 to 320. So, yes, that is something to watch out for. But, you know, if we do make it above that 400 and we break and hold above that, because we do need to break those moving averages. So that'll be something that we need to. XRP. Let's go ahead and check out our XRP in the house. Throw those X's up, baby. Throw those X's up. So, yeah, we have this trend coming up here. Very nice for XRP. Holding very tight right here at that 50 on the daily. A lot of pressure building up because this is getting squeezed. It's getting smaller from each direction. You see how it's coming in here. Okay, so that either, you know, is a big break to the downside or a big break to the upside. So, you know, and overall, with the way the market's looking at the moment, we're really hoping for a nice break to the upside. So yes, I'm really bullish on that. The target for a shoot to the upside would be 84 cents, and to the downside would be 68 cents, and that's all the way for big swing trades. Dogecoin at 11 cents, man. Dogecoin's been struggling to get back above that 11.9 and hold. And I just want to see, because see this daily chart here? You see how it's that acted as support, and then it broke it, and now it's acting as resistance. So that's some heavy resistance right there. Those are some big players that ended up selling off on Dogecoin. If you go back and check from this point here, from the February 7th to now, there's a whole bunch of selling that happened on Doge. Let me just show you something. Fixed range volume profile. Okay, you see how the point of control is right here. See how it bounced off this right here? A bunch of wallets just started to sell off right here, and it just never made it. And then I think like there was a big purchase that came back, if you could see it on the blockchain, and it pushed it back up, but then sold off immediately, and then it was just being shorted. So that's what's happening right now. A lot of that pressure building up, and it just has a lot of shorts active in the system. So they need to figure out that imbalance right now. There's too much of an imbalance of negatives and like negatives, deltas and stuff. So guys, figure that out. You know, I'm a big Doge holder. I'm a Dogecoin. Yeah. You know, we just got to get this right. Get that balance ratio, man. Take it to the moon, okay? Cardano, 83. Look at that. You see how on the daily Cardano has stayed this kind of like the same thing, all that pressure buildup? Now look at this. Okay, so yeah, and that's right at the moving average, like right where it should be, point of control. And let me just go back to my drawing. You see how we're pointing down on the 50 until I see that curl up like we talked about in some of the other ones, you know? Guys, if you're enjoying the video right now, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Baby's at 20 cents. We love our baby token. So yeah, man. So the S&P is at 441. S&P really shot up at the end of the day. Really pulled right back to the 50 on the daily. Really bullish. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Best trading days are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays. Remember that. Be wary. Be careful when you're trading on Fridays, guys. So here we go. Total overall cryptocurrency market cap is at 1.79 trillion. Gold is at 1937. Check that out. That was a bounce on gold. Dollar index sitting at 98. Dollar pulled down a little bit. Dollar really big up here, holding strong. If it does pull back here, people will start going for risky assets depending on what happened with the tensions and with the oil prices and energy prices. 10-year yield at 2.9, check that out. So people are racing for the American money. So U.S. tether dominance, people are buying into those coins. You can see that with some really high volatility in the dominance charts. Bitcoin dominance, getting into that Bitcoin, baby. Get that Bitcoin. All right. Overall cryptocurrency, 24-hour volume, 79 billion, a little bit lower than yesterday. Bitcoin, 24 hours down 1%. Ethereum, 2,800, up 1.3%. BNB, 388, up almost 1%. XRP at 79, up 0.34%. Look at that. Very nice XRP on the 6th spot. I like that. And then BNB is, looking really nice. I like this market cap. And, the volume could be a little bit better. We can see between the two different volumes. Look at that, 1 billion. Terra at number 7 at $87. Solano, 90 at number 8. Solano up 5. Terra is down 3%. Down a little bit because it was actually really, really strong. So Terra's having its down points. You can see how Terra had all those updates during those red markets. That's why it's having a red market during these green markets, guys. Think about that. Cardano in number 9 spot at 83 cents. Avalanche at $79. Number 10 spot. Number 11 is my BNB $1. 13 Dogecoin. Dogecoin needs to bring itself back into the 11 and 10. I want to see Doge go. Everybody's saying, dang, Doge to the moon. Well, let's go. Bring Doge to the moon. Polygon, really, really strong. I did hold some of my Matic up on the exchange, so that's good. And, we did some DCA today. We brought into our DCA for some Bitcoin. And, we wanted to do that. So we can actually go over to here, and we will go into here, create our portfolio, and then it's going to be trades for radio. All right, and then we're going to put what we put into it, add new, and Bitcoin. Yep, quantity, and then price per coin was 0.001. So that was, okay, well, total spent, say 100, okay, 0.001, 02, 03, okay, there we go. 0.003 in Bitcoin right now at 40.7, add transaction, okay? And then this is the portfolio we're going to work on together. So I just took $100 and added to the Bitcoin, okay? And then what we're going to do is, we're going to go into here, and we're going to add BNB, we add new, we go to Ethereum, and then we go to, okay. Alright, so $56 we'll add, just to, do a small portfolio, just to show you guys how you can add. We'll add that little bit, and then we'll add, we'll leave that at that, and we'll talk more about it next time. We'll start doing dollar cost average, and I'll show you guys the right tokens to buy into. And I'm starting a portfolio, and this is going to be the portfolio that we do, and I'm going to bring some of the coins over, and we can talk about DCA, and I'll teach you guys some stuff about passive income. I do have videos out about passive income that you guys can follow. They are on my YouTube inside the videos. Okay, guys? So a lot of information for you guys today. A lot of great stuff and a lot of cool stuff. You guys learned a lot today, and you guys been rocking out with me, man. And I really appreciate all of you guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to show your support. In the description below, you can find all of the links for Jay's strategies, trades for radio. Don't forget to follow us for the latest and greatest